Yes, last 26 days for your examination. I know the butterflies in your stomach are dancing. Hi, hi. Hi, Sindhu. Hi, Dimple. Gautam. Now, this exam excitement, exam fear, exam anxiety, whatever you say, I know that is rushing. And I tell you, that will keep on increasing as and when the exams are coming nearer. So this is the first time I'm going live on Instagram. Now, why live? I want to introduce you to my one of the best friend, and I'm in Ahmedabad. He's in Bangalore. So thanks to this live, which is a hit, we have him over here. So we'll be joining with one of my friend. His name is CA Bhavik Doshi. He's my doubt solver friend. Yeah, doubt solver friend. He's a partner in one of the prestigious firm who is having branches. The firm is having branches in Ahmedabad, Bombay, Bangalore. So you can definitely understand the work what he is doing. So whenever I have a doubt, I have a friend of mine with him. That's Bhavik. Now he's very curious. Hi Jayant. Hi Arun. Hi Uday. Hi Mansa. That friend of mine, CA Bhavik, is very curious. He actually likes to read a lot and then he comes out with his own interpretation analysis. So we have these exams which are near, and that friend of mine has his own views on examination. So let's join my friend CA Bhavik Doshi. Hi Bhavik,
Hi
how are you?
Niket,
So
all
how are
well.
things in
How are you?
Bangalore?
Going good, isolated
Uh,
and also
how is Driti?
doing fun.
Great. Now, all the dear students, they are waiting to hear your viewpoint related to exam. I told them you are very curious and you love reading and analyzing the things. And yes, you are my doubt solving friend. So they all
Th-
are here to understand your viewpoint related to exams.
Thanks a lot for that intro. And like you also know, appearing for CA exam was one of the biggest thing, the biggest thing to happen in your life until then. So it's like in terms of efforts and dedication and time what we have put in, a milestone in life, and that is how CA exams should be approached. I wish you all also have that thing which brings the best out of you. So, while I was studying, along with the section and rules and formulas which we were supposed to remember, I was also making a list of the quotes which proves as a gem, which you can preserve, you can cherish, and you can motivate yourself. So, if you are not doing something like that, I would insist you surely recommend a book to take a note of the quotes you like. So let me start with the first one, which comes from the direct text professor. It says, if you feel the paper is easy, means you are screwed. You are missing out on the tricks. And if you feel the paper is difficult, you are anyways screwed.
So screwing is a part of examination, right?
Yes, there is no thing like free lunch. The trick is in reading the questions and knowing what are the expectations. So, and you have to earn each and every mark. There is nothing for free. Like, even if it is a silly, it is going to occupy your time. And so that was the first one, which came from a direct text professor. Second is from the finance professor. He told us if you are unlucky, you will have 20 marks out of the syllabus. It is like out of unseen things you have not read. If you
Okay.
are lucky, you'll have 10 marks out of the syllabus.
So something will be there from out of syllabus.
Uncertainty is part of life, and you should expect that so that it doesn't surprise you at all. Expect things are going to go bad, and you will have to manage that. You remember the accounts paper we appeared?
Yes.
So that is it.
Nightmare.
Yes.
All
Now the
questions of CA final accounts paper are wrong. I'm telling you seriously. But still, I managed to get an exemption.
So that is like, so that is a trick. Like CA is a very good exam, and like all who have appeared for that, you will know that the quality of exams what they do. So great respect for that. Now the third and the final one comes from a costing professor. He says that smartness is not believing that you know the problem, but knowing that you don't know the problem and you should avoid it as of now. So like you have only under 2 minutes for a mark. Make the best of it. Learn to say no to a sum. No, I will not appear you right now.
You are difficult. I can't try you.
Yes, I don't want to face you. I say
Yeah.
no. Scoring is important. Managing your time is the key. Prioritize your time and in life also. So
Great.
those were the three gems which I wished I would share.
Great, 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 Bhavik. Thank you so much for your lovely insight. And you all people, I know CA exams are most important for us. It has changed our life, and surely it will change yours also. Just one thing you do, give your best. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for joining for the first live session. We'll be organizing such live sessions frequently, and we'll meet again and again. Bye. Take care, all of you.
All the best.